This is M0 JCQ Portable, operating in the 6 metre WAB and RSGB contests. There's actually three contests running in parallel on the 6 metre band. We've got the IARU Region 1 contest across Europe this weekend, and also the RSGB 6 metre trophy contest and the WAB 6 metre contest. I'm entering the WAB 6 metres, and this is the Moxon up here. You can see it's a little bit windy today in Italy Oscar 91 square. Using a Moxon that's got 6 metre elements and 4 metre elements on it as well. Just been operating on 6 today. As you can see, there's no rotator, so I'm Armstronging this, and I've got the shelter down here. It's been very changeable weather. Right now it's kind of okay, a little bit cold, but not raining. We have had quite a lot of rain. Moving over to the operating station. So what have we got here? We've got a leisure battery. What amp hour is it? 115 amp hours. So it's a 6-hour contest, so I need quite a lot of power today. Also running 100 watts out as well. You can see here we've got the let's focus on that, the ICOM 7100. That's just the main unit. It's got a separate kind of remote head, if you know that rig. We've got a little laptop down here for logging. I think I'm on 46 contacts, something like that. I've had quite a lot of Sporadic E contacts into Europe, Lima Yankees, a lot of Echo Alpha stations. I've hit Italy, the Ukraine, and I think that's it. But mostly Echo Alpha stations, and of course G stations. Even worked at GM earlier, which was quite nice. So what else have we got? Yeah, the ICOM 7100. Let's turn around. So I'm using this post quite extensively. You can see I've got the mast strapped to it, so I'm Armstronging this, just turning it as and when I need to. You can see it's still wobbling around up there. Using EcoFlex 10 coax cable for minimal loss, and it's a little bit hard to see, but this is the ICOM 7100 head. So what I'm going to do next is I'm actually going to call CQ and see if I can work a few more squares. I've worked quite a few, but I feel like there's still more people out there. So I'm going to sit on a frequency and call CQ and see if I can get any more. But yeah, it's a brief overview of the station here from a rather windy Italy Oscar 91 square.
On your 59220 Kilo Oscar 14 United Guatemala.
This is Lima Yankee 2 Sugar Alpha. I've worked him earlier, but still booming through.
Yes, QSL, QRZ, Lima Yankee 2 Sugar Alpha.
So yeah, quite a few Lima Yankee stations. Let's look at the log. It's a little bit hard to see in this light, but you can see that was the second to last station that I worked there. Then I worked at Belgium on the holiday, actually. Patrick, who was on Echo Alpha 5, or in Echo Alpha 5, and Oscar November 7, Alpha Romeo, Quebec. So he was having a really good time operating during this holiday. So let's have a little tune around, see what else we can hear. It's quite a... Oh, hello. Let's move that a bit closer.
CQ contest, Golf 8 November, Golf 8 November, CQ contest.
Bravo Yankee Japan, your 59498, Japan Mexico of 08 Charlie Tango.
Yeah, I worked that locator earlier. I think it's the same station, Charlie Tango. Echo Alpha 5 Sugar Romeo is his call. Still coming in really well though. I worked him 2 hours ago now. Look at that, 5 and 9. Very good signal. Very good opening to the south.
Echo 59499, Japan Mexico 08 Charlie Tango.
Okay, the contest is finished now. Worked 58 in the end, and towards the end it was only really Sporadic E stations outside of the UK. I'm going to have a little look on 4 meters to see if anything is happening on that band, because it's certainly open on 6 meters, so maybe there's going to be some people QSYing up to 4. I've got the Moxon up, and that is a dual band Moxon. So it's got on the inside, it's got a 4 metre element, and on the outside, obviously, the 6 metre element. So yeah, I'm going to give it a go and see if anyone's around. But yeah, you'll see the pack up of the station, and I wish you 73s from James M0 JCQ.